sa Pumpkin Hollow at Lumsden. Ayan. Sa Lumsden tayo. Biyahing Lumsden.
21 na lang.
Ayan sila mga kasama ko. Oh. Hello. Okay. Our today's video, we are going to Pumpkin Hollow at Lumsden.
Pumpkin Hollow pa pag mga
At
nakaraan.
Pumpkin Hollow, we will see
Pumpkin
different
orange lang.
varieties,
Orange
shapes,
lang. Ngayon,
and color
ang
of
kulay
the
na.
pumpkin. See
Ito
you
yung light
there.
green. 800 meter left.
Oh wow, ang ganda-ganda oh. Tara na sa Lumsden, mamasyal tayo.
I see it. I see it. It's over there.
Nasa taas ba kayo? Oh, gaganda ng puno. Kulay dilaw.
Fall is here.
So we're approaching Pumpkin Hollow. Yun.
Ito, hindi ito.
Hindi.
Punta kami sa
Lordy. Oh, smoking.
Ayan, so we're heading to Lincoln Garden and we're gonna see there the different size and color and varieties of pumpkin. See you there.
Sa walang bahay.
Continue on Saskatchewan 20 north for 1.5 kilometers.
Oh, I saw a cow.
Doon na tayo magranay tayo yung mga nililikod nila.
Yan ba?
Philips Road. Ito na nag-liquid. 300 meter.
Yung mga paakit
Turn right at Phillips Road. Then
100.
station is on the right.
Ayan na. Nandun na.
So for today's video, we're going to
Oh, tapos dyan.
Lincoln Garden. Yan. Welcome to Lincoln Garden. We're gonna see the different sizes, color, and shape of the pumpkin.
Dito na ko yung Lincoln pumpkin.
Ayan. Yeah. Oo nga. Okay, different size. See this? And this is like a bitter melon. Oh, see? And then a small one. Nice. Right? Holy. Oh, see this? This is white in color. Ayan.
Yeah, let's get some pumpkins.
Yes, you can buy.
Anong gagawin ko naman?
You have to cook sa pumpkin pie. You can make pumpkin pie. So ito yung mga iba-ibang shape, iba-ibang color ng pumpkin. See, this one is oblong. Yan. So different size. Yan.
Alam mo, yung ganitong binili ko nun sa tumubo. Yung nababad sa tubig.
Masarap ito malagkit ito Yung mais na to. So kumuha ka, bumili ka para itanim mo sa summer. Ayan. Corn. Ibang klaseng corn to. Diba? Takot ka lang doon, scarecrow. Yeah. Ayan, so nandito kami ngayon sa Lincoln Garden, wherein you can see the different sizes, varieties, colors of pumpkin. Enjoy my video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my short video. Like, share, and subscribe. Wandering Bicolana. Okay na, Jenny.
May langas. Ano? Bakit ba ito lalabas? Malabas mo. Pinunta natin sa Rowans.
Rowans Rabin. Ito, papuntang Rowans Rabin to